So this is famous here in Citadel. It's pastitsi di ricotta.
$5. €5.
Wala yung meron na ngayon?
Looks good, huh? Cheese.
Remember, we have to be out of here by 1.
Magtatapino pa tayo. Halika lang.
Baka yung ibang
Sarap na. Sarap ba?
This is good.
chicken.
Ricotta.
Ito naman yung chicken pie.
Hindi masyado masarap.
Gusto ko.
Bumili ako
Mas I like the beef though.
beef.
It looks like an empanada. Chicken pie.
Panawid buto.
Tatanungin mo kung masarap mo.
Here's Deb.
Kung maasahan na makakuha ka.
Gata natin.
Yeah.
Ewan ko, to me,